here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add animations effects to WordPress buttons using WP Bakery WordPress Ultimate Addons Plugin. Okay, so how to do this? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and make sure that you have WP Bakery WordPress plugin and the Ultimate Addons WordPress plugins active on your site. In the case that you need help on it, let me know in the comments. After this, go to the page, go to a previously built page or add a new page where you would like to apply this button. Click on WP Bakery Page Builder to load the classic editor. Then you're gonna have two options: classic backend editor and front end editor. I'm gonna start on the back end. You can choose blank layout or the full layout. I recommend the full layout in the case that you want your site menu and footer appearing. Click on add element. Scroll it down just a little bit until you can find the animation block. Here is the guide that we are looking for, animation block. Now you need to choose the animation effect. I would like to recommend you the infinite pulse. This one. So you can make the pulse effect as infinite. There is option to add duration, delay, animation repeat, hide element until delay, viewpoint position. You can add and enter an extra class name and edit design, but nothing much. Then you're gonna be able to see this plus button right here. Click on it, and then I recommend that you type into the upper right corner of your screen, into this search field, button. Just like this. You're gonna be able to see a couple of buttons. I'm gonna choose the simple one, this button right here, and then you can enter the text of your button, the URL of the button, the style of the button, the shape, the color, the size. I'm gonna be using a large button. You can change the position. Then let me just change the raw settings to apply a padding. Just like this. Now let's preview the results we got. Now, as you can see, the button is doing this pulse effect. Would you like to change the effect? It's possible. Let me just publish this page and loads it on the front end so I can show you the difference. Click on front end editor, wait while the page loads. Seems like the element does not load on the front end. No problem. Let's preview it. And here is the result we got. So as you can see, there is some elements that does not appear into the front end editor. As a result, I'm gonna recommend you that you use the back end editor in order to do your edits. Most of the elements, except for animations, works on the back end editor, but does not on the front end. But as you can see, you can do your changes. For example, like right here, changing the position of the button. Go to the preview and see the results you are getting. In this way, your button gonna have more attention, you're gonna get more attention, and maybe more people gonna click on it. Simple, easy, and effective, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!